The ice cream.
The UJ.
The stupid UJ.
Irisa.
Ew! You're such a mania!
Lul.
You do nothing but...
Are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yum.
Do you like vanilla better? Ay, vanilla. What do you call this? Caramel. Better than chocolate?
I like chocolate better.
Why?
It fills in the empty holes.
Wow! Of your heart?
Yeah.
Of what could have been?
Ah.
Caramel fills in the empty space of a man.
Of where a pee should have been.
Those those cold nights warms. The warm caramel warms you. Usually we have questions.
And you answer.
Dali, it's fun.
Ano ka ba? Ito kaya i-reward namin sa pagsama namin sa'yo para maghintay. Isang oras din yun ang tulog namin, no?
Wala yan, hindi na kami matutulog. Magpo-porn na kami.
Hindi not on a Tuesday morning. It's scheduled during Friday.
What do we do?
Porn. Porn day is Friday.
Porn day is every day in my head.
In your head? I only schedule it on Friday.
Joke lang.
Oh, you watch porn?
No, I'm kidding.
My God.
Sabi mo pa lang.
Stupid. UJ and his
You know
stupidity.
that I do not watch porn. I do not actively research porn.
And let it be known that UJ is stupid and does not understand.
Yes. What even qualifies as porn?
And little hints.
Yes. And what qualifies as a joke?
Yeah. And sarcasm. My God. Can you spell
Also
the
let
word?
it be known that UJ has no PP.
Yes.
I have.
But due to the size, you don't even consider it as existing.
Yeah. It's obsolete.
Yes.
And you need
Not
to
that
call.
we imagine
And
what
you need
the
to call
PP
network
size is.
relations. And you need to call network relations.
Yeah.
The smart shit. That's smart shit.
You, what's your message for us before you eat?
Suck it.
No, we will never suck it.
Come on,
We have
suck it.
standards.
Yes.
Suck it.
However lonely and caramelly our hearts.
You do know that it's turning about and about and it's not fun.
It's like the Twilight Zone. Let's go to California.
You want to go to California? Why?
Because
You wanna taste Californians? Oh, Californians. They like taste like sun. You know sun?
it is a nice way to you taste like the sun. What? How does the sun taste like?
Tastes like salt.
You wanna go to California?
They're like salty.
You know why? Oh, look. Because I'm in love with people I haven't even met yet and places I haven't even been to. What does that say about me? Are you excited to leave?
Yes, I am.
Why?
Excited for the money.
Huh?
We're just excited for the money. Yeah. Right?
The
We're just excited for the money.
Or maybe
money?
it's like the new alien dude. People have never seen before. Little bit compared to the chicks and shit.
No, but
Which
it's
I think will never happen. Because the fact that
The fuck?
the fact.
Oh.
Although that's she says that too a lot. What were you saying?
the fact that he's not too smart would parang
Actually, the fact that you are not, it
would work for his advantage.
why would that be an advantage?
It would be an advantage because he wouldn't know that he was already being dissed off by other people.
Feeling ko you're gonna be gang raped.
Yeah.
And you won't even know it. Feeling mo lang it's
No.
like a big party.
Yeah, and it's
No,
like,
I'm
you're
not.
like
No,
the
no,
parang
no.
center of the attention.
No,
It's
no,
not that
no,
you're
no,
being
no.
raped.
Hey, look! Ang galing.
So if
Wavy
you're
kayo.
watching this, whoever you are, who I want to be watching this,
What? What's your message?
why are you so fucking far
Stupid.
away?
Stupid.
Yeah, why are you so far away?
And stupid.
And so, yeah. When was the last time you had a crush on somebody? Like a real crush?
And not Lisa Crush.
Ay, hardcore, like, crush.
Like the lust.
Like you're, no, sorry. No, like you're,
You said hardcore. Some good.
Just because it's hardcore doesn't mean
my crushes na lang are on people that are impossible to reach. Like,
Well,
I have
define,
crushes that are like,
define. You have to define hardcore.
no, like, not just like the passing, you're hot, ganyan. No, not just those kind of crushes.
What kind of crushes?
Hi!
Ayun, di ko ba sasabi? Nasarahin na tayo.
Ooh,
Wala
that's
talaga. Wala na tayo picture.
No, we're not picturing.